shucks. I wanted to see those track bikes. There's a couple on a track bike, a guy and a girl fixed here. Okay, I'm here at 7-Eleven, my favorite place. I'm waiting for my buddy Nick to get his water. We're here on Waialae Avenue in Kaimuki. We're going to head out to Kahala Mall, or through Kahala and into Diamond Head.
Church.
What? Oh, it's over here. Hi. What's with the free car wash?
It's free.
Why? Why is it free?
Yeah.
Is
Is
Huh?
it for a church? Is it for a church?
Oh, it's one club.
A club.
What kind of club?
It's
UH Business.
Oh, are you a UH student? Oh, okay. Where are you from? Vietnam. Oh, okay, okay.
Oh.
Wow.
If I had known, I'd have brought my car down. All I
Yeah.
have is...
You can just walk over there and they'll give you a helmet wash.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. Wow, look at all these hearts. Free car wash. No, 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 no sale. Oh, look at that, jeez. That was interesting.
Yeah.
Free car wash.
You know, yesterday from 9 till probably 12:30, we were playing at the UH, one of the dormitory, those round dorms.
Yeah,
Aloha.
yeah.
And oh, I had such a good turnout. Food. It was like all you can eat for free.
Wait. I thought you said you didn't go out. Yesterday?
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
I went to, I had the UH performance.
Oh.
For,
Oh. Okay, here's Kahala Mall. Excuse me. Man, it's Black Friday. It's Black Friday and there's all these freaking cars. Everybody's going shopping. You know why they call it Black Friday, right?
it's Shopping Hell Day.
Oh, it's the one time of year where companies can go from red back to the black. They can bring their accounting books from the red to the black. That's why they call it Black Friday.
Oh.
They supposedly generate like a big chunk of their sales today, now to Christmas. Hello.
So we did that in the morning,
Yeah.
and then
What's that?
with Bonnie and Crisco.
Ah, nice. Okay, this is Hawaii Kai. Crap. Waikiki Street.